This flagship retail store for one of the nation's premier jewelry and watch boutiques blends cutting-edge design with luxurious detailing. Built in 1962, the newly renovated store is crafted to elevate the shopping experience. The lavish renovation centers on a sleek black epoxy terrazzo floor designed to highlight the store's merchandise. Exquisite brass inlays with widths from 1/8 inch to 1 inch curve dynamically throughout the space, paying homage to the historic Peacock logo and creating a sense of visual motion. The floor was hand ground to a high-gloss 1500 grit finish to further elevate the regal decor, creating a stunning centerpiece. Founded in 1837 as the House of Peacock, C.D. Peacock holds the distinction of being Chicago's first registered business. This finely executed installation in its Oak Brook location, completed by Menconi Terrazzo of Bensenville, Illinois, is a remarkable example of artistry and functionality.